So if your washing machine gasket is torn, it means the machine will start leaking water. Let me show you. For instance, this part is torn. You can replace it. The best way is to replace it. You take another one that is okay, and find a new or a used one. It will work okay. Then we have the second way. If it's torn here, this is the bottom part. This is where the water comes from. You can turn it upside down like this. So this place will be on the top part, this will be on the bottom part, so it won't leak. But you see, with that, the disadvantage is after washing you'll find water here. You find water at this place because there are holes here that let out water for drainage. The water that is on this also will have been interchanged, so they will be upside down. So that is the disadvantage of interchanging it. And then the other part, you can repair this part. You can repair this part, but remember, it is supposed to be rubber to glass. The glass should touch rubber, but if you try and put something else here, it will leak. So those are the three ways of repair, of how to deal with a torn washing machine gasket. I hope that was helpful to you. But the best way, if it's torn, just replace it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.